tell you how to make a cheesy omelette. What you will need is a whisk, a bowl, a plate, and 1 egg and some cheese. First, I'm gonna crack an egg into the bowl. Then I'm going to grease some butter into the pan. Next, I'm going to whisk it. Then I'm going to pour the egg into the pan. Now I'm going to wait till it gets ready. And I'm going to pour some cheese into it. If you like cheesy, you're going to put lots of cheese. If you don't like cheesy, just a bit or no. I love cheesy on so I'm going to put lots of cheese. This will be extra cheesy. And I'm going to put some 2 types of cheese. Now I'm going to wait till it gets ready. My cheesy omelette is ready. Top tip: make sure you have a dust machine when you're cooking. First, wait till it gets ready or it's too hot.
Crossroads, I cross my heart with X and O's. Which way leads to forever?